You're right.
Invite me. Eh,
Welcome and congratulations, RSG. So congratulations, this is your first this season. So of course, as always, I'm Mario of All Star, and the first question is for you, Coach Panda. What do you think happened in the series tonight? Bakit kayo nanalo?
After we lost sa week 1, marami kaming parang usapan between us. And the number 1 thing was siguro sa heroes. Tapos number 2 was the communication. Kaya this whole week, plus we have an extra si Dibor playing instead of Nats. All we just focused on is team chemistry, communication. And then, straight tapang lang. Totoo lang, last week we couldn't play yung laro namin because parang hindi confident sila sa hero plus sa hero composition. Pero today, I feel like it was more easy to execute it. So all we just worked on is just confidence through screen. So yung objective namin, buong week was to win mga screen para may confidence this week.
So you really work on their chemistry together, especially since Nance is not playing anymore. Okay. Tell us about the draft kanina, especially with Ira choosing again his signature hero. What made you decide to choose that draft?
Sa una-una, niisip namin na we don't really need to pick yung hero ni Irat because Irat has so many heroes he can play. Dami. He can play confident kahit anong hero ni Irat. Kaya we just prioritize yung mga heroes na parang we feel like mas maganda. So, nasa ni Irat, it is a risky hero, totoo lang, kasi it's easy to make mistake. Pero, it's Irat eh. So, kaya-kaya niya.
Alright, ano masasabi mo dun? Na ipakita mong ikaw pa rin talaga yung malakas mag-Lancelot ngayon.
Uy!
Hindi ko alam.
Uy!
Di kasi yung Lancelot dun sa game to rin. Di ko din alam ba't yun yung naisip kong hero eh. Pero ginagamit ko naman sa screen. Kaya po siguro confident kong gagawin. Madali lang ng coach talaga.
So ikaw pala nag-pick ng Lancelot. Sinabi mo kay coach na katipa mo Lancelot. Ano ba?
May ganun din po akong sinabi pero marami pong mga nasasuggest ko na hero. Pero sabi ko, sige po, Lancelot.
Nibor, congratulations nga pala sa yung Irat and Nibor. Kayo yung MVPs ng Game 1 and Game 2. And Nibor, debut mo ngayong season 14. Anong pakiramdam mo na ang lakas mo? Na ganun yung nakikita mo, MVP ka.
Ang saya po, tapos dagdag confidence sa sarili.
In-expect mo ba kanina na ganito yung milestone na ma-achieve mo ngayon?
Yes po. Kasi maganda po performance sa mga screen.
Kung sabi mo rin.
Hindi naman.
Okay.
I just wanna follow up lang sir. For Coach Panda. Any thoughts about Vivor's performance today?
This is just the starting of Divor's performance na. Before it's Nats Entertainment lagi. In the future, you guys will see not Nats Junior, not fill in for Nats. Pero as in Divor talaga making a signature title for himself as one of the top XP players din. Because these two are the bagong players I have this season. So these two are my main focus. My main focus is to make them the best players this season. Kaya please expect them that they will have a great performance this season.
Coach.
Hi, RSG. So, Michelle from Philstar.com. I just wanted to ask sa players, like the first 10 minutes of game 1, medyo makalat on both sides, RSG at TNC. So, ano lang yung nangyayari ng time na yun? And why did it have to take 10 minutes for you guys to finally play the game that you have? And for Coach Panda, ano lang yung nakita mong mistake during those first 10 minutes?
Gusto po siguro namin na yung combo namin na kagad. Tapos nahirapan po kami ng hanggang 10 minutes. Siguro again, it was chemistry. Meron silang combo maganda na gawin lagi. Kaso parang ang daming hesitation, tapos kunyari sa Lord. Pwede sila mag-focus on the Lord agad, pero iisip nila, huli pa tayo. At the same time, verse Lord, ayun, sakto, akot yung link. Kaya dahil sa hesitation, it took a longer game. So I really need to focus on trying to fix that na walang hesitation.
And Coach Panda, last for me. I know you don't like this question, pero if you would give a grade, not to RSG, but to Coach Wolf, out of 10, what would you give?
Coach Wolf? I mean, Wolf is I'm not trying to play safe, okay? And I'm not trying to be disrespectful or be respectful. But just real talk lang is that it's always mahirap to handle a team that is bago. Pero dahil it's Wolf, I really strongly believe they can continue and have a good result. I feel like that TNC has a strong chance to get into the playoffs. It's just usually my gut instinct I usually have. And I think it's because of Wolf plus Etomas. They have a really solid coaching staff. And ako, I'm still working alone. But as long as the coaching staff is strong, the team will always improve. And Wolf is a very positive and professional person. Kaya, I will still give him a 10 out of 10. Because I believe he can work it out.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, Coach Panda. Kawala ka lang sa ni Michelle. I'm Ivan from Davao, Philippines. So, you mentioned nga na parang you're giving Coach Wolf a 10 for tonight. Pero, they're now 0-4, but you still believe that they're gonna make the playoffs. So, do you think at some point makukuha na nila yung chemistry, that the needed winning formula para umusbong? Kasi they only have 10 games left.
Yes, because this is the thing. I said before na when you make a bagong team, it's like how to try to paint a masterpiece. Yung mga teams like, Bren, tapos yung TLPH, yung mga world-class teams, they have their solid identity. What kind of team style or gameplay they want to make. Parang it's like you're Van Gogh and you already painted the sunflower. Pero yung mga bagong teams, parang it's all over the place like a puzzle. Pero as soon as you fit that puzzle and where it should be, now that means that you're on the right track and you will have a good result. Kami din right now, we didn't even know how to paint a picture yet, pero we're still trying to put puzzles together pa. So what I want to say is that as long as they have a good coaches, staff at TNC, they will be able to find a solution and the formula how to paint that picture that they want. It's early season pa lang, so kayang-kaya nila yun.
Coach Panda, I have a question about that. So, hindi siya naglaro today. May nakita kasi akong story niya. I think it was yesterday. Nagpapaalam siya sa jowa niya. Mag-miss with is he leaving the country?
I cannot say anything official yet, but he's still part of RSG. That's what I can say.
Thank you, Coach.
Any other questions? Any questions from our battlefield participants? Any question?
Any question? Kung kumain na ako.
Sige, go.
Favorite color ni Coach. Ano number mo sa number selected?
Hello po, I'm Elmer po from PAP Santa Mesa. So, ang tanong ko lang po, after losing the first match po sa week 1, how it affects po or ano po epekto nito sa overall performance po and paano niyo po nakuha yung game na, yung first win niyo po today and kung paano niyo po nagamit yung pagkatalo nyo for the first match? Yun lang po.
Ano? Yung tala nung week 1, tapos paano kami nanalo nung kaya.
1 week ulit para sila.
Paano kayo na-motivate ng mga talo nyo ng first?
Ano po, syempre, mataas po yung expectation po namin na una kasi po, nakakakuha po kami ng magandang momentum sa mga scrims namin before. Tapos po, yun po, natalo po kami sa may echo kasi po, gigil na gigil po kami. And then, kinabukasan talo po kami Aurora. Kumbaga, ano po, syempre po, na masakit po sa amin na matalo. Kasi po, mataas po expectation namin. So, ayun po, nag-step up po si Coach Pan. And inayos niya po yung mga problema sa team. Sobrang dami pong inayos. And then, ayun po. Kahit po medyo magal po yung game namin, at least nakuha po namin panalo. 2-0 pa.